Hello, and welcome to the Quinnipiac University Arnold Bernhard Library tutorial on using RefWorks with ProQuest. This tutorial is aimed at showing the basics of how to navigate the ProQuest service and how to store found articles and sources in RefWorks for citation purposes. First, an introduction to RefWorks. RefWorks is an online service used for managing citations and generating bibliographies across all major publication standards, such as MLA, APA, and Chicago. RefWorks also has its services integrated into several major research databases, allowing for easier tracking of articles to cite for your research paper. Today, we'll be using RefWorks in tandem with ProQuest. ProQuest is a service that provides subscriptions to databases in a variety of disciplines. Most of the databases that Quinnipiac uses under ProQuest have the benefit of similar interfaces and search methods. Therefore, the method shown in this video is the same as using ABI Inform, Sociological Abstracts, the Hartford Courant, the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, and most other databases provided by ProQuest. Here's a web of some of the databases provided under ProQuest. For this example, we will use ABI Inform and a search on Puerto Rico's hurricane recovery efforts. For any article that looks interesting, we'll save its citation into RefWorks. Step 1 of the process is to click the checkbox by the article's result number. In this example, Result 1 is already selected and Result 2 is about to be selected. After selecting the articles that you want, scroll back to the top of the screen and select Save. Select Export to RefWorks. Make sure that Output is set to RefWorks and select Continue. RefWorks opens up the screen asking which version to export to. Select Export to Legacy RefWorks by clicking anywhere in the Legacy RefWorks box. Now, log into RefWorks. After logging in, the Import References box will open and give the message Import Completed and the number of references imported. These citations will be in the Last Imported folder. Select View Last Imported folder to see the citations, move them to another folder, or create a bibliography using them. For additional help with RefWorks, please visit the RefWorks Databases and Computer Instructions Guide. Here, under Importing Citations, you'll find instructions for using RefWorks with Quinnipiac's research databases. And of course, if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact a reference librarian who will welcome your questions and be more than happy to assist you.